This lesson is for beginner English learners. By the end, you'll be able to have small talk about Christmas in English. Let's start. Brian, do you celebrate Christmas?
Yeah, I do. My family gets together every year.
That's nice. Notice Brian said, I do. That's a short answer. You can also say, yes, we celebrate, or just yes.
Right, keep it simple.
Exactly. Now, if you don't celebrate, you can say, no, I don't, or not really. Let's practice the question. Say, do you celebrate Christmas?
Do you celebrate Christmas?
Good. Again.
Do you celebrate Christmas?
Perfect. Now, the most common Christmas question is, what are you doing for Christmas? Let's practice that. Say it.
What are you doing for Christmas?
Excellent. One more time.
What are you doing for Christmas?
Great work. So, Brian, what are you doing for Christmas this year?
I'm going to my parents' house. We're having dinner together.
Nice. See how he answered, I'm going to, and then the plan. That's the pattern we use.
Yeah, like talking about future plans.
Exactly. You can say, I'm visiting family, or I'm staying home, or I'm traveling.
Whatever your plans are.
Right. Let's practice. Say, I'm visiting family.
I'm visiting family.
Good. Again.
I'm visiting family.
Perfect. Now, what if you have no plans? You can say, nothing special, or just relaxing at home.
That's totally fine too.
It is. Not everyone has big plans. Let's practice nothing special. Say it.
Nothing special.
Nice. Once more.
Nothing special.
Great. Now, people often ask, are you spending Christmas with family? That's another common question.
Yeah, I hear that a lot.
Me too. Let's practice it. Say, are you spending Christmas with family?
Are you spending Christmas with family?
Excellent. Again.
Are you spending Christmas with family?
Wonderful. Now you can answer, yes, with my parents, or no, just friends this year.
Short answers work best.
They do. Now, here's something useful. We say Christmas Eve for December 24th and Christmas Day for December 25th.
Right. Christmas Eve is the night before.
Exactly. So you might have different plans for each day, like I'm with friends on Christmas Eve and family on Christmas Day.
That's common.
It is. Now, if someone celebrates Christmas differently, you can ask, how do you usually celebrate?
Oh, that's a nice question.
It is. It shows you're interested. Let's practice. Say, how do you usually celebrate?
How do you usually celebrate?
Good. One more time.
How do you usually celebrate?
Perfect. Now, Brian, how do you usually celebrate Christmas?
We have a big dinner. Turkey, potatoes, all that stuff. Then we exchange gifts.
See, he gave details. You can talk about food, gifts, traditions, whatever you do.
Yeah, share what's important to you.
Right. Now, exchange gifts means giving and receiving presents. That's the phrase we use.
Like we exchange gifts in the morning.
Exactly. Let's practice that. Say, we exchange gifts.
We exchange gifts.
Good. Again.
We exchange gifts.
Nice work. Now, some people say open presents instead. Both are correct.
I say open presents more.
That works too. Now, here's another common question. Are you traveling for Christmas? People ask this a lot.
Because lots of people travel.
Right. Let's practice it. Say, are you traveling for Christmas?
Are you traveling for Christmas?
Perfect. Again.
Are you traveling for Christmas?
Great. You can answer, yes, I'm going to Chicago, or no, staying local this year.
Simple answers.
Exactly. Now, if you don't celebrate Christmas, that's totally fine. You can say, I don't celebrate, but I enjoy the time off.
Right, be honest.
Yes, or you can say, I celebrate something else, and mention your holiday if you want.
That's nice to share.
It is. Now, here's a polite way to end this conversation. You can say, have a great Christmas or enjoy the holidays.
Those are both good.
They are. Holidays is more general. It includes everything. Let's practice. Say, enjoy the holidays.
Enjoy the holidays.
Excellent. One more time.
Enjoy the holidays.
Perfect. Now, if someone says that to you, just say, you too, or thanks, you too.
Easy response.
Very easy. Let's review the main questions. First, asking if they celebrate. Say, do you celebrate Christmas?
Do you celebrate Christmas?
Good. Next, asking about plans. Say, what are you doing for Christmas?
What are you doing for Christmas?
Perfect. Now, asking about family. Say, are you spending Christmas with family?
Are you spending Christmas with family?
Wonderful. Now, the polite ending. Say, enjoy the holidays.
Enjoy the holidays.
Great work. Now, let's do a full conversation. I'll start. Brian, what are you doing for Christmas this year?
I'm going to my sister's house. Big family dinner. What about you?
I'm staying home this year, just me and my husband.
That sounds nice and quiet.
Yeah, we need the rest. Are you traveling far?
Not too far, about 2 hours. We're leaving Christmas Eve morning.
Oh, nice. Well, enjoy the holidays.
Thanks, you too.
See? Natural small talk. Now you try at home. Practice asking these questions out loud.
Yeah, repeat them a few times.
Right. And think about your own answer. What are you doing for Christmas? Practice saying it.
That helps you remember.
It does. Remember, if you don't celebrate, just say so. People understand. These conversations are just friendly.
Yeah, nobody's judging.
Exactly. The goal is connection, not the perfect answer. Just be honest and friendly.
That's all you need.
Right. And remember, you can always say nothing special if you have no big plans. That's a great answer.
It's honest.
It is. All right, we covered a lot today. You learned how to have small talk about Christmas, ask about plans, and respond naturally.
You're ready for holiday conversations.
You are. Now, here's my question for you. What are you doing for Christmas this year? Or if you don't celebrate, what are you doing for the holidays? Write it in the comments.
We want to hear from you.
And if this lesson helped you, subscribe for more beginner English practice. New lessons coming every week.
Thanks for learning with us.
Enjoy the holidays. Bye.